Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you the tutorial how to convert normal video to green screen video on mobile phone. I had a green screen background here and also the video that I want to change it or convert it to green screen video. So the first you have to click on the overlay, then swipe right until you find cutout here. I will use cutout feature to remove the background. So click on the remove background. And the background has been removed like this. You also can resize the video and put it to the area that you want, or resize to smaller like this, then put it on the area that you want. Click play to see the result. So this is the tutorial how to convert normal video to green screen video on mobile phone. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.